crazy. I'm so afraid of heights.
Jsme hodně vysoko, úplně dobře by to nemělo.
Ještě to nevidím.
I'm just...
You got the fence here.
Yeah, it's a fence, but still I can see. Yeah,
Also doesn't feel comfortable in height, but this is this.
Who is not?
You're just behind the fence. You don't have to worry about it.
I'm afraid of. Oh, I can look down. If I look down,
You never would make it to Kilimanjaro.
this is outside.
Spokojnie. A dlaczego to by się nudzi? Nie podoba ci się?
So apparently, oh my God, like yesterday, this is another fear of me. I can't look down. Wait. And I'm afraid of heights.
You have it in English. You know interesting.
No.
Huh?
I can't look down.
Huh?
Oh my God. Okay, this is where we are going apparently. Oh my God. Okay, this is okay. Matthew, stop. Colic bodies say how much water can soil carry. How much does the life in the soil weight? They move timber from the forest but leave some behind. Wow. Okay. Slowly, Matthew. Soil properly this one, so. And in this soil, an invisible part of the forest. Now we do not. This is nice. Talking about the soil. When it does this is how it looks like, huh? Ooh, my gosh. You can see this is how it looks like. Matthew, no entry. No entry. Says no entry.
On the side.
No,
No,
I wouldn't do it.
not me.
This is how it looks like also.
What? I don't want to go.
It's like a circular thingy. It's just enjoying the walk. It's called Top Walk.
Mama, I don't want to go.
So if you happen, yeah, you don't have to. If you happen,
Daddy said.
no. So if you happen to be in Czech Republic and wants to this kind of activity, you can just come here. It is in Chelny Dal.
This is another path. to
Matthew,
walk
no,
around.
no.
There's an old. No, this is way up. Yeah. We've done up there.
So we're going up and up and up and up.
5 minutes.
I don't think it's not 5 minutes. It's more than 5 minutes. I can't even start going up and up. I can't even look. I'm getting scared.
We can have a coffee and kids can play in there, huh? When we're done. Huh?
You, Tommy, not afraid? Or you just sitting in there?
She look.
Ah, we are halfway there. I'm doing this video, but we are going up and up and up. Oh my God. Someone is enjoying himself here. He's making fun of me of my fear of heights.
5 floors left.
And you need to go all the way down again.
Daddy, look.
Look the castle, look this castle.
Which castle?
There.
Oh, that one. I want to go there. Daddy, come on.
So this is how it looks like, guys. If you ever want to try the top tree walk in Czech Republic, this is how it looks like. Tommy,
Daddy, look.
it's getting higher and higher, and I can't even look down now. Look at that.
Look down. Look down.
I'm not looking.
Wait for the top. You know
Yeah,
here.
yeah, I know.
Leave the video on the top.
We are nearly at the top. Oh gosh, my.
There's a clock. Look.
Oh, you can sit over there, so I can go see. That's good. Ooh. That's crossed.
Really, Daddy, I can't see it. I can't see it. I can't look. I can't.
You can put this on for the wind.
Daddy, Mommy,
Matthew, wanna take a picture over there?
Mommy's coming.
Oh, we are here. I'm not going any further. That's it. I'm not going any further. Okay, we are at the top of the mountain. At the top tree. Are you closing it?
Ah, there is Prague. this way. This looks like cable car for skiing in the winter. And we're back here again.
So we are leaving. Oh, finally. It's a bunch of kids. I'm not gonna do any video from there. So we're just gonna go there for some tea and then maybe we can go home. Yeah. Tommy, Matthew, come sit here. You wanna eat? You wanna eat? Come sit here. Because you're gonna stay there. Matthew, what did I say? You wanna stay there for 1 hour? Alright, come here. Come here.
Yeah, Tommy.
No, he doesn't like ketchup.
I'll make you a milk.
Maybe that. That one.
It's super hot. They don't have chicken nuggets. They got more food, but like the option with chips is just this. This is a traditional Czech. Very traditional Czech. You know it? It's like every pub has this. Tommy, yum, Tommy. Tommy, Matthew.
Tommy.
Yum, yum. Look, cheese. Oh, yum, yum. It's yum, yum. Mm. Get some inspiration. Huh? Tommy, look, yum yum.
I just want the yellow. I just want.
Yeah.